some blueberry banana bundle. With the butter and eggless. No, baby, no. No, anak, no, not put that. No, baby, no. Talaga makulit. Grabe. So in the butter, we have something to here and some fluffy. New egg. So, ang gagawin natin ay gagawa ako ng blueberry banana bundle. No, anak, no, 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 please, please. Ay, no, anak, no. No, baby, paprika. I'm making chocolate blueberry banana bundle. Eggless. Wala po siyang egg. I have my frozen strawberry here. Okay, let's going on. Come on, para matapos tayo ng maaga. Yes, this is my chocolate banana blueberry bundle. I use frozen strawberry and a frozen banana. Eggless. Eggless po siya. Wala siyang egg. Dairy free. First recipe. My first recipe. Today I just experimenting again. A new recipe. Chocolate banana blueberry bundle. Dairy free. I put about 3 cups of blueberry. Blueberry banana bundle. Dairy free. Okay? Very easy lang po siya at very nutritious. We know blueberry is full of antioxidant. And this is good for snacking for my kids. Ready to bake in the oven. Let us check. This is my chocolate banana blueberry bundle. Wow, it's look gorgeous. Very gorgeous. You are so beautiful. I don't know if it's already cooked. I think not yet. So I need to put back in my oven. Can you see that? There's plenty of blueberry. Yes. No, anak, no. Okay, guys. This is my blueberry banana bundle. Dairy free. No egg. No any kind of dairy. Yes, anak. Wait, baby. No, baby. So, guys, thank you so much for watching here in my video. Thank you. God bless everyone. Perfect. Chocolate, blueberry, and banana bundle. Yes. Look at that, anak. It's come from the oven, my bakery. Look at that. Look at that. I put a lot of blueberry here. Look at that. Wow, it's so yummy. Nakakawili mag-bake. Yan. My kids are ready to devour this. Sige. Like that. Okay. So, this is it. We use only the powder sugar. Our, what do you call this? Baby milk. This is not a baby milk. This is a powder sugar. So, parang snowy siya, oh. Very moist. Super moist. So, yan. Ang aking chocolate blueberry bandit. Wow. Okay. Ganyan yan. Creation.